I hit it.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Boy Swabby Boom here with another mukbang. I got my beautiful wife, Dolcefoodie, and it'll come up right here on the screen.
Oh, I'm gonna put it.
You gonna put it?
Well, I gotta know. We got some spaghetti bolognese that I'm waiting to dig in, and somebody's gonna put some cheese on it.
I can't get this. Aha! I
We
can't
got our
get this cheese
wooden
over.
forks and everything. I even got a
Oh,
wooden
guys,
spoon.
by the way, hit us up on our Instagram if you want to go check out what we do behind the scenes, because it's a movie set. You know what I mean? At Love at First Bite Vlog Instagram, that's where we do all our, where we're going out, what we're eating, who we're hanging out with, what we're doing.
Who we're hanging out with?
Yeah, we hung out with
parents?
we hung out with we had a double date with my parents. Your parent-in-laws, is that what you call it?
My parent-in-laws?
Your parent-in-laws, right?
Like queso?
You queso fresco.
I feel like I have a hair here.
Oh, hair.
Hair.
Let me get that the thumbnail. Hang on. And look, see? You see? We got the stupid wooden ones.
Can I dig in?
Here's your burnt
Oh
burnt stick. Here's my bread. Okay. Wait, hold on. We gotta do this thumbnail, right?
yeah. What's that getting out?
I don't know, I guess so. But I'm jumping in now, I'm ready. This is just regular spaghetti. I mean, I guess nowadays everybody's calling it spaghetti bolognese. Oh, actually, that's what it's been called for years.
Oh, it's still hot.
Yes, it's still hot. I just made it, sweetheart. I just made it.
Is the kitchen a mess?
No.
Oh, really?
Girl, I clean as I cook.
Oh, that's good. Usually it's I clean as he cooks.
Well, you ain't doing nothing else.
I don't know.
Might as well clean it, man.
But I was in the bedroom fixing my nails.
Mmm. I don't know why you like the breadsticks.
Probably because we don't have them in Finland, but that I know of.
Like at all?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that you know of.
At all that I know of. But a lot of things have been popping up in Finland in the past 5 years when I haven't really been living there. Like queso fresco. They had one queso fresco package. Probably not the real thing, but close enough, you know.
That's still cool though. Oh my God. Una coca.
Cocaine.
Pero es una 8 ounce. And it don't matter if these sound good or not, because it's not an asthma. It's not an asthma.
It's a mukbang, meaning
What?
I'm eating and that's it. I don't have story time.
Autonomous sensory meridian response.
It's a little crowded here, huh?
Now, we've been in the game for a minute, you know what I mean? We've been in the game, the asthma, mukbang.
This cup is actually from a restaurant called Another Broken Egg.
New Orleans based.
Yeah, you want to take it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a New Orleans based restaurant where we had our first restaurant meal, actually our first meal ever as a married couple. And it's fitting because we didn't know that it was a NOLA based. I think we told them this though, but we didn't know that it was a NOLA based restaurant until we got there. after just getting married. Anyway, and it's so fitting that we landed there because
that's where we fell in love.
That's where we fell in love.
We fell in love with Nola.
Well, sort of.
I fell in love with you there.
I feel like I fell in love with you over the phone. Between and after, Nola. Like, before. What's wrong with my English today? I can't talk.
I have that effect.
Yeah.
I feel like every time we do a collab together, I feel like we always end up talking about ourselves. Because we're humble bumble.
Because we're narcissistic.
We're narcissists.
Oh. Close enough. And I feel like...
Did you hear about what I talked about in my video this morning?
No. Parts of it. Like, going after your dream and working hard. And what happened now?
You know what I left out of that conversation?
What?
Remember that when that person asked me like, because you know the whole thing is in the video. I was talking about how I'm really happy with my life right now, and I couldn't ask for anything more. And like when you say that, when you say I couldn't ask for anything more, think about that. I couldn't, like, oh shit, I'm spitting stuff out. I could ask for a napkin. Oh, here we go. Think about that saying, I couldn't ask for anything more. I really feel like that.
Like to be happy. Like obviously we could ask for another puppy.
I couldn't ask. Nah, I'm good. And the part I left out in that conversation, that was kind of like a joke. We were talking about that, and somebody said to me, like, what are your you know dreams and goals and this and that in life, Berto? And I was just like, I think I'm done.
Yeah. Anything else is just extra.
I think that's it. I think that's it. I'm pretty. Like, what else could add to my life? I mean, are there things that add to my life to make me more comfortable? Yeah, sure. But what could make me happier than I am now? A puppy. I knew you were gonna say. I knew it. Another puppy. Why do you want another puppy? You have the best puppy in the world. The best puppy in the world. All you other dogs. Sorry.
You don't need another puppy to be happy, but it wouldn't hurt. Like, I'm not gonna be mad at another puppy. If somebody gives me a puppy, I'm gonna be like, yep, I'm just as happy as I was before.
I'm
not less happy.
I want my brother and my sister-in-law to, like, just in case they watch, like, they need us to babysit Coda for a little bit, they need a little break or something, you know what I mean? Like, let me get Coda Coda and Rocky together. Oh my God.
Rocky's all happy and Coda's all annoyed.
Yeah. So cute together.
Coda is a female husky. If you've seen her on our Instagram. She's really cute. She's also very pampered. Not too much.
I just feel like I can pamper her more.
I feel like that too. Like we could do a better job of pampering her.
She's adorable. It's so funny how, remember that day we went over there? And their friend's dog was over there, that big Great Dane. And Coda kept protecting me.
Oh yeah. Coda is so protective over him. This is a 1-year-old Great Dane puppy. Super cute. I have a video on my Instagram. She was scared of him, the puppy. And because she's been abused by the app Rover, where they watch your dog. Well, she was like beaten to like scars and wounds and whatnot. Well,
By a fat Mexican dude.
I don't know, but she was a little scared of him. But she wanted to get to know him, but she was scared. You know, you can tell that she wanted to come closer.
Yeah. And, you know, I'm aggressive. You know, I need to be a little bit more gentler. Because I see a big dog and I'm like, oh my God. And I'm like trying to grab. It's a girl dog, right? Was it a boy or a girl? Yeah.
Elle.
And she just wasn't. She was
unsure,
nervous.
yeah.
She was unsure. And then when she would get close, Coda would get like in between us.
She would even like snap at her. Coda would snap at the puppy. Be like, no, mine.
Hell yeah. She deserves my love.
Mm-hmm. Coda's been there since a puppy.
Mm-hmm. Coda deserves my love.
Yeah, we would be happy to foster Coda.
Just a time limit though. If that dog is with me more in like 3 days, it's mine.
I was gonna say more than 3.5 hours is game over.
It's my dog.
Mm.
I'm big on I don't know if you guys follow. A lot of you guys haven't followed me from the beginning, but if you do, you know that I'm big on like. I like to wrestle with my dog and be aggressive and cuddly and throw him around and be like, you know, play. I like to play with my dog. And,
Like he's one of the dogs?
yeah. And Coda's, I've had nothing but boy dogs.
Yeah.
And Coda is like the epitome of a girl princess little mouse.
Delicate little flower.
Oh my God, she's so cute. And I get gentle with her. I get really gentle with her. I get like you with her.
You're so cute with her. You're like, and Coda will come and she will just run here, put her head down on your lap, and she'll just stand there. And you have to pay her. And hair goes everywhere. One thing I've learned is huskies shed more than any dog I've ever met. They shed so much. I don't know.
What kind of dogs do you have? Leave a comment down below. Or pet. What kind of pet do you have?
Yeah, because
We don't discriminate unless they're anything else other than cute dogs.
the dogs that I had in Finland, right now we only have one. They don't shed. So just from non-shedding dog, it's an Airedale Terrier, by the way, to like a husky.
So cute.
It's like night and day, literally night and day. And I'm like,
Let me tell you something about.
how do you do that?
Let me tell you something about my wife.
What?
Not you. I'm talking to them.
Oh.
She will sit there and like if it's just her and she's filming or talking to a person or whatever, she will. I'm talking to them, not you.
Oh yeah, sorry.
She'll give you her opinion about, well, this dog is like this and this dog like that. No, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not about that life. And then over here, like, my dog never be doing it. You put any dog in front of her, though, it's game over. There's no differentiating. There's no, like, this killer and this little puppy. They're both exactly the same. Her love
You're
for
the
dog.
same. There was a Chihuahua that he was willing to take. Unfortunately,
That dog was roaming the streets. It was dangerous in the
she-
suburbs
her name was
of my
Mosey.
parents' neighborhood.
her name was Wozy, and we saw her at the corner of a street. And we opened the door real gently in case she's timid. And I was like, hey, guy, hey, little buddy. And she was like, hey. And I was like, you want to come in? Okay. And she came in our car. And she was like 2 houses over is where her address was. Because we called her holler
I
number.
call her, yeah.
But to this day, if I tell him, you remember Mosey? Oh, she was so cute. You would have taken Mosey.
I'm all talk.
He's all talk too.
I'm all talk.
We're all talk. We take any dogs.
Because they're so nice.
Mm.
They're big ponks, they're wonks, they're lops, they're mobsters.
But if I can rationally say, I wouldn't maybe want a husky because they shed so much, and If you can
But
take
if she
it,
saw a husky in danger.
I mean, we had a husky in Belfast for like a week.
Wow.
A rescue one. We were trying to rehome it, but he was a puppy, so he didn't shed yet. Puppies
Sure.
don't apparently shed. And then I was willing to keep that one, but I had no idea they shed so much.
But don't get it twisted. We love dogs, but we know the thin line between trying to save the world and doing what we can. You know what I mean? So I love my dog, our dog, and we're enjoying him. He's amazing. He's the best. He's the best.
He is the best.
He is the best.
He's a goofy little.
He's a good. Like, he learns.
He learns so quickly.
He's so nice to everybody.
Super nice. To dogs, people.
Even garbage. That dumbass neighbor dog.
That we named
Don't
Garbage.
you know we're not making an ASMR video? Rude.
I ate my whole pile.
You like making videos with me?
Yeah, because I get to eat.
Yeah. How come people don't like it when we do collabs together?
They're jealous.
And when I say people, I mean like one person. It's like always one comment. You know what? I just miss those old school Suave videos.
That dude is dead. I've changed him.
Yeah. Yeah, what's for dessert though?
Oh yeah. What is for dessert?
I'm so full right now.
More spaghetti.
I'm so full right now.
Soul food?
I bought some soul food. Soul food is for dessert. We have to do a soul food video. Remember we were talking about that earlier? Fried chicken, fried catfish, collard greens, sweet potato something. What was it called? I forgot what it was called.
Spaghetti.
Cornbread, peach cobbler, like all that stuff.
Yeah. I'm not that full. But I'm gonna stop eating now because I feel like I ate like 2 portions already.
Let me explain this. When I cook.
Did you snack? What did you snack on? Yeah?
When I cook, I tend to snackalation nation.
Did you snack on this?
I did. I kept tasting the sauce. It was so good.
No, but that's not really filling you.
Yeah,
didn't
it was the meat and the sauce. I kept eating meat and sauce. I had a lot of garlic, and it still doesn't come out as good. I thought it was going to be way more garlicky.
That's so good.
Goya adobo garlic isn't that garlicky.
No, you have to add pure garlic.
Pure. That pure.
And tomorrow this is gonna be even tastier. I don't know why, but pizza, spaghetti,
Okay.
anything tomato sauce based. Next day, heat it up. Oh my god.
So good.
Even cold. So
Yeah,
good.
I agree. Are we gonna go for a some kind of walk or a hike tomorrow? You think?
Are your knees
To
hurting?
counteract this?
Your knees were hurting. I don't know.
My knees were hurting.
This morning, weren't they? Or last night? What you been doing? What are you doing?
Don't be a cochina on film.
Wee.
Yeah, I mean, my body, I'm old. My body always hurts. Might as well just make it hurt some more for a real reason.
Can I have some Coca-Cola?
Yeah. Oh, guys, I know I asked you this. I know I ask this every now and again, but Netflix, what's the deal? Let us know what's going on.
Oh my god.
We need to find a new series on Netflix.
Oh,
we watched Ozark season 2.
Did you tell them we watched The Nun?
We watched None. It
So
sucked.
scary. I was so scared.
It wasn't The Conjuring. The Nun is part of that Conjuring universe with like Annabelle and Conjuring 2 and blah, blah, blah. It was alright. It wasn't crazy.
I'm scared easily, especially by anything demon related. I told him yesterday. No time?
Yeah?
Serial killers and whatnot don't scare me. It's demons.
Thumbs up the video if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Comment, subscribe, and we will see y'all on the next Demon Talk. Peace.